Guys, how you doing today? Today I want to teach you intro to Pixelab. That's I'll be showing you how the interface look like and how it works. So today let's go. So this is the app on my screen, as you can see. Pixelab. Click on it and open it. I'm designing something actually, so I think I should go back so you see how the interface looks. So this is the interface, as you can see. I'm making the text all around the screen. So I will explain what each icon here works for how it works. So one, I should click here to show you save project, save as image. So once you save as project, just give it a name from here. Just say any name, give it a name, and click OK. Save automatically, as you can see. So you want to save as image as well. You click here, you put it at ultra so that it will reduce the quantity the quality of the picture, so it won't have when you post it, it will not reduce the quality. Hope you get that. So let's go back. So here you can easily share with this icon. You can share, you can save. If you save it, you can share with any of this. If you are using any of this app, you can just share easily like that. So here it's just for quotes. See any kind of quote you want, is it motivational, be it success, be it friendship, be it happiness, be it inspiration, be it positivity, be it absorb, just click on any one, it shows you pop up, stay here, like select it, you see it here, you can see we already do that here. So with these three icons, these three dots, as you can see, there's use image from gallery, there's full screen, there's use image from camera, there's export image, there's image size, there's contact us, report blog, tutorial, remove ads, so on and so forth. So for the use image from gallery, once you click on it, it takes you to your phone gallery whereby you want to import a picture, then your full screen. Let me show you full screen. As you can see now, no any icon, but when you click like this, it go back, it restore the screen back for you. As you can see, it's quite cool, and you can drag like this to reduce the size. So here you can use this to undo what you've done till you get. So why this icon, you can use and zoom in, you zoom in, you see what you're doing exactly. Once you click like this, it's on. This one is just for the ruler. You can use and maybe just click here, as you can see, use this U to drag, click here, then you drag to set your line so it will not pass. As you can see, you can draw these two, you can see. So that's that on that. We'll talk more on that later, not now. So here it shows you your layer. If you assume you have more than one or two layer, you are good to go. Once you click here, it lock it, you won't be able to touch it anymore. Let's go back, let's unlock it. Once you click here, it take it away, that's you don't see it again. Once you click here, it brings it back. Once you click here, it delete it, or need to restore it since you are using it. So once you click here as well, shows you maybe you should take to the front, move it, do anything, give it a color. As you can see, you can easily give it a color from here, as you can see. So let's take it back, we don't need that for now. So here you can use and move from one layer to another, that is, you put it on each other. So you use down as that one is that. So let me explain the down one. To assume you're already done with one project like that, you're already done with one project and you have saved it, just as we did earlier. Once you click on this my project, you see it, as you can see that YR so that's it there. As you can see, it's quite cool and okay. So you can expand this. So here what you're seeing here is template, that is already made template that came with the application. As you can see, once I click on it, it tells me, are you sure you want to do this? So let's see what it shows us. As you can see now, it changed it. You can choose any of this template and work with any at all, as you can see. So hope you get that. That's cool. That's that on that. So let's click on the A. That is, A is just for text. You can add text from here. Also click on this plus sign, you drag it to the center, you click on this edit sign to type anything you want to type. As you can see, you type it there. Once you type it, you use this one to delete, and you can also delete here with this icon up here. As you can see, two different things. So let's restore it back. We're still using it. So this one here, once you click on this copy, to duplicate that particular text you clicked on. So here you can just say come to the front, maybe let's say it here, let's give it a color. As you can see, give it a color now. Let me bring this so I'm trying to say. So let's say to the front is already at the front now. So I say to the back, you see this one will be at the front, as you can see now. So that's that on that. So the next one is position. Use this one to move left, up, right, down, side. As we want to move more faster than the way it's moving, just increase this. Then you click here, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. As you can see, we are good to go. Once you check it, that's all for that. That's all for that. So here it's just it's also for positioning, that is really relative position, that is when, okay, let me show you something. Once I click it, set it to the center. As I click it, it's put it at the center, exactly the same, exactly at the center of the interface, as you can see. So once I click it, move it to the left hand side, and I click it, click to the right hand side, and click, take it down, and I click it, takes all back, as you can see. So let's put that center back, as you can see. That's that on that. So now you can use this to reduce size, to increase the size and reduce, and as you can see, you can either easily click on this or click on this, but let's just use this since we are trying to explain how the interface works, as you can see. So that's that on that. Padding, you can just use this one. As you can see, it moves it, give you a lot of space to the left, to the right, and so on and so forth. You are good to go. And one thing, once you're doing this, using this, and want to restore back, just click on this center to restore back to its normal, to its default position. So now it's time for color. We can just set a color here, and color is of two types. There is gradient and color. So once you click on gradient, as you can see, it's changed the color to something cool and fine. As you can see, it's changing the color. So when I click on color, that one's just solid color, just it's a single color, not to just a single. So once you click on this gradient, it's double the color. As you can see, double the color, double the color. So you also click on this plus. So in case you didn't see, you don't want it that way, you can just draw it the way you want the color should look like. As you can see, you can click on any of these, then do what you want to do. Click on any of these, do it the way you want to do. Click on any of these, do it the way you want to do. It's quite cool. You can draw this too. As you can see, we're good to go. As you can see, it's quite cool and okay. You can see that's the color there. So next is what, the texture. So for example, you don't want to use color, just click here, take a picture on your phone, maybe a background already like have, just pick any. Let me just pick this picture. Let me use this picture. As you can see, it's already there. As you can see, once I increase it, you will see that picture at the back of that particular stuff. So once you click like this, you can increase the scale. You can do it anyhow you like, depending on what you're doing actually. So this is opacity. This makes it blur. As you can see, it's blur. You increase the opacity, it makes it blur. Then you can increase and decrease it as well. As you can see, it's quite cool. So the next thing here is masking. So you can mask, maybe cut somewhere a bit out of this. You just need this top edge. So click check like this. As you can see, it's all gone. As you can see, so it's quite cool. It's quite cool. If you enjoy Pixelab, it's quite cool. It's cool. So the next thing is fonts. Yes, let's use one beautiful font. Let's use one cool font. Sorry, don't mind my English. As you can see the font now. See the font now. It's kind of cool. See the font now. So that's how to change font. You can use any font. You can install font on your own. So maybe that will be in another tutorial. I'll be dropping and teach how to install fonts. So these are the fonts I've installed myself. I'm using. So once you use any fonts here, you can just come back here. If you don't remember, to show you a recent one you've used, so you can just click on any fonts of many type, as you can see. And one next thing is that you can just change. You can give each word different fonts. As you can see, let me change this one. See, as I click OK, you see now it's kind of here, just because of the masking. That's why you're not seeing what is here very well. Let me change it so you see what's there. Let's remove the masking now. So let me change the font. So let's do it this way. This to this, as you can see. So as you can see now, see different fonts with different words. So let's go. Another thing is styling. So you can bold it, give it italic, give it underline, then you can format your styling again. So perhaps I want to change this to italic and I want to use this as underline. I can easily do that. You can see. Now maybe I don't need them anymore. I can just format the styling and format it. So we are good to go. So now you can use this. The next thing is curve. So you can see, actually curve the text. You can curve it clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can see that's what it works for. Maybe you're done with this and you don't want it anymore. Just restore that with that. As you can see, it's quite cool. You can just play around with it. So now let's change background of the text. Let's add background to it. As you can see now, the text now has a background. You can use gradient background. You can use anyone at all, depending on what you're doing. You can just play around. So you can increase the padding. You can do the top as well. Then you can what make it circle. So you see now, see the edges, So that's that on that. What's next? Okay, we're not done yet. Let me restore back this. Let me restore this back. So that's cool that way. Think. Let me reduce that background. It's too much. So the next one. So the next thing here is the align. So you can easily put it to the center, to the left, to the right, to work the way you want. Let me remove the curve so you see what I'm saying. Let me restore it. As you can see. So once I do the alignment, you can see press it to the center. It's actually not moving because of the background that I use at back. So let me remove the background. So now it's here. So we are good to go. So let's assume I double click here. You double click to edit your text. So as I put it like this, I add something to the textbook. I just want to show you how the align works so you won't get. So once you click here, click at the center, it takes to the center. As you can see now, let me kind of increase this. No, take it back. So once I align to the center, to the side, to this, as you can see. Okay, I thought that was much too. Okay, that's why. Back. Think something is wrong. Sorry. Can I remove it? So why that? So let's leave that for now. So now you can use this one as spacing. You can see. You can use it anyhow. You can see. And if this words, you can see it moves it. You can see. So that's that on that. Line space, you want to give it a space, you want to get it closer, you want to do it the way you like. As you can see, that's how that works. Let's restore back to it some more. So you can give it stroke. Yes, I love using stroke so much. I love it. As you can see, I love using stroke. So that's that and that. So the next thing is inner shadow. You can see it gives it shadow. Let's use normal shadow. Give it shadow, as you can see. So that's that on that. Emboss, yes. My emboss, decrease the size a bit so you see what I'm saying. So that's how emboss work. You can just take it round. What happened earlier is because of my phone. My phone caused it. So your phone might actually not do that. Don't not do the same way, but my phone actually did that. So that's why that was like that. So you take that like that. You can just do anyhow. Do the interface. Well, next tutorial you get to know how to use this app very well. I just want to explain this interface for you today. So it's 3D. You can change your text. You can see, you can move it, draw something cool. You can see, depending on what you're doing. This is perspective. You want to take it high, you want to take it down, you want to do it anyhow, you want to make it sleep, you want to make it just name it, just name it, just name it. As you can see, so I check it as that. I want to make it reflect. See, you can see now, see, there's a reflect beneath that. So that's that on the text. So now let's go here. We have 4 here. So this one you can add sticker. You can add any sticker you like. You can add anyone. You can add as much as you like. You can add. You can add. So that's that on that. So that was just to add sticker, and then you can use one to import picture. Just as I said earlier, you can either import any picture you like at all. You can either import any picture you like. As you can see, this picture here. So the next thing here is what you can use this to draw. You want to draw anything, you want to put a signature, you can easily do that. You can use this to erase, you can use it to restore, you can use it to redo, you can just play around. Let's not waste most of our time. So you can see I draw something, alright, something there, check it. So I can easily carry it, take it anywhere I like, reduce the size. Let's keep that there for now. So next is shape. I want to use to draw a shape, any of the shape. Once you pick any shape here, it shows there automatically. You can see this is the interface of shape. I'll explain more on this in next tutorial when you're doing anything. So just bear with me for now. It's cool. The next thing is here. This is Bezier tool. You can just draw. You can use and draw. You can use this and draw. Once I click like this, that's done. You can see. Maybe draw something on paper, you can easily use this to redraw and do all sort of things. So that's that on that. So now is arrow. You can just draw your arrow anyhow you like, change the bottom, draw it, make it cool. That's that on arrow. Sorry, I'm kind of fast. Don't want this video to be bulky like that. Just want something cool and simple. So now I think you're done with that. That's that on this icon. So now this for background. So if I want to change my background to this, as you can see, I can easily change it. I can use gradient as well. I can change my background, change everything. So that's that on background. So you can change this to transparent. Click it, change everything to transparent. There won't be any background at back at all. So now is for you to do the size. Maybe you want to do a poster. Just click here. That's the size there. 4 by just square. Every angle is equal. So now you can import, you can use already made picture because there are picture there already. You can use any of this. You can use any of this as your background. So here you can import from your gallery. You can import any picture from your gallery at all. So I click that, use this one. So you can see that's that. So you can even use your camera. As you click on it just once, then you snap. Use it, snap. As you can see, just snap. Just click snap. Nothing that's needed for now. So now you want to manipulate your background. You can just rotate your background. Rotate. This one is what you can see the effect here. You can change the color of your effect. See, it makes it cool. So that's that on that. You can add noise, just an effect. You can see how it works. You can enhance, do it anyhow. So that's that on that. Now stripe, let's add stripe. You can see the stripe. Stripe so cool. So cool, you can see. So you can repeat the stripe the way you want. So that's that on that. Now is brightness. You can increase the brightness. You can see. So now contrast, you can just give it. See that. So now you can do this one too. And this one is saturation. So is this. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. On the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to design with this particular application. So thank you once again. Just make sure you click on the subscribe button and please share this video with your friends and family. Let them benefit from this value you're getting as well. Thank you.